What an incredible set this is, designed by artist Meer. It's called Party Animal Celebrations, and this was a large set that was sold in 1996 for $636, directly from the artist Meer. This birthday set includes 8 of her custom handmade party animals, a birthday cake, more accessories than I can name at the moment. Each animal is hand dressed, includes a giraffe, a pig, a tiger, a lion, an elephant, a giraffe, and others. Each bear or animal on its own is highly collectible. This unique set is absolutely one of a kind and would be wonderful in your special doll collection display or individually placed. You get all 8 figures and all of these birthday accessories, including dollhouse size gift boxes, birthday cake, cotton candy, horn blowers, champagne, and sparkles. You'll never see another one like it.